Hey everybody, this is Deidra with TexasPads. I'm a realtor in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and if you don't know, now you do. Hey guys, so today I'm just going to spend a few minutes. We've been focusing up around the northern part of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I'm bringing some features to you today on what is the spot to go to in those areas. Today we're going to be talking about the Allen Premium Outlets. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. As you can see here, the outlets are north of Dallas, right off of the Sam Rayburn Tollway and the 75. I'm going to just zoom in here. Here we go. Around here, you can see there's lots of cool things, lots of restaurants. Top Golf is right here. But this is where we're going, the Allen Premium Outlets. And that's located at 820 West Stacy Road. The hours over there, they are open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Many stores. So let's just go ahead and get into that. Let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and pull it up here and let you know. If you're a shopper like me, Black Friday, this is where you want to be here. These outlet malls get very busy around good sale time. So you'll definitely know there's a sale going on. Tax-free weekend, I've seen it swamped. Going back to school, I've seen it swamped. Holidays, it's swamped. Let me tell you what these Allen outlet malls are. So what these are all like your name brand, premium name brand things. They are given to you at a discount because this is like where they have them. They have extra quantity. They need to unload it, and it's to your pocket's value, right? So let's see here. Go ahead and I'm going to pull up the photo here and just let y'all get a good little view of it here. All right, here you can see the outlet malls go all around here. Well, it's kind of shaped like a donut. If you ask me, the parking lot just goes around it like a donut. So you definitely can't get lost there. You're just walking a circle. Right back here, we see these 18-wheelers bringing in all the new hot merchandise. That's the 75, so that's really cool. Across there, you have lots of different restaurants, and you can definitely make it a day if you're traveling and you need to do some shopping. Or if you're just going through from Oklahoma on down to Houston, you can hit that road and do that as well. And here you can see some of the name brands. These are some good ones. Coach. What girl doesn't like a Coach purse, right? Marc Jacobs, Champion. Get your shoes. K Jewelers for men when you're ready to get down on that knee. That's where you want to be. Let's see. All right, Tommy Hilfiger. Let's go ahead. I think we have some video of this, and let's just take a look at that and see what's going on. All right, here we go. Flying high above. Again, like I said, the freeway is right here. Now back here, across the 75, and we'll see that again in a little second. They have a venue there you can go. They have all kind of concerts going on. Disney on Ice performance on it. So Allen area is the spot. But again, if you come into Allen, you want to make it here. Look, here you go. Reebok. Yes, if you're a runner, that's great. Famous for plenty of shoe options here. I go for runs. Not always because I want to, because I need to, right? And let's see. Zales. There we go. Jewelry, we love our jewelry. Don't forget to put the earrings in the jewelry. Let's see, H&M, hey, clothing. Michael Kors, oh yes, baby. Tommy Hilfiger. This is a good day here too. So guys, if you can find it, come out on a day like this. This parking lot is actually not as packed right now. So that's good because I've gone to the outlet malls and man, you have to fight over parking almost. Banana Republic. Oh, and there we go, ladies. Victoria's Secrets. Now, I've seen some really good sales there. Let's see. Skechers, school, items. Columbia. You definitely want to go to Columbia. It's getting cold right now, so you definitely want to get those winter attire here. And you can buy it. Sometimes get it right after winter when everything's on sale and use it for next winter, right? Champs. Bought a few pair of shoes from there. Jewelry store. Let's see, Gap. Who doesn't like the Gap? I mean, really. If you don't know, you need to know. Let's see here. Oh, here we go. DKNY. Oh, yes. First perfume was a DKNY perfume. Smelled pretty darn good. H&M. Look, there we go. Sale, sale, sale. Yes. Yes. Oh, there we go. Ralph. Nike. Everyone owns a pair of Nikes. Let's be for real. Oh, here we go. Nautica. Rack room shoes. Yes. Converse. Get your Kicks, your Levi's. Again, the freeway is right there, so it's easy to get in and out of here. Ann Taylor. Oh, we got American Eagle. I mean, just look at all of these stores. I mean, guys, the stores are limitless. You can just look through this video here and tell that, I mean, any kind of thing that you're looking for, the children's place, this is where you go. Perfume, clothes, shoes, home decor, Armani. Come on now. It's just Forever 21. I mean, everybody. It's a store here for everybody in your family. Down from little babies all the way up to your teens, all up to your grown women and your grown men. And, of course, Starbucks. Let's just take a second. Hello, Starbucks. We love our Starbucks. Bring your rewards. Get your drinks. American Cookie Boy. Just look at all those goodies in right there. I mean, you got your yogurt. You got your cookies. You got your Starbucks. All right, I'm loving it. And if you don't know, let me show you. This store right here happens to be a favorite of my daughter, Miss A. Everything in there is like $1. It's like the Dollar Tree used to be, but it's all beauty products. I mean, just everything that you need. I mean, nail, manicure, makeup, everything. I mean, just all the brushes, all kind of accessories that you can buy in there, lip gloss. I bought these little packs of soap, and they're like little sheets, and you can just pull them out, and you keep them in your purse, and it's very easy. So I like that store there. Let's keep it rolling. Fat Burger. So pretty much it's got everything that you need here, and I think that you'll definitely like visiting Allen and spending a day shopping here. So, guys, that was the Allen Premium Outlet Malls in Allen, Texas. This is Deidra. I got more information for you in the link below. You can follow us, like us, and subscribe. And if there's any areas around the Dallas-Fort Worth area that you want me to promote, go ahead and send me a message and we'll look into it. And we look forward to seeing you. Until next time, peace out, Texas.